Go.
Taylor Ball.
Keslie.
Julia Stoll.
All right, so we're here to talk about a computer guts. So this is the motherboard. This is the motherboard, and she runs everything, directs all the traffic. Amen.
Perfect. This is the RAM. Random access memory card. It goes into the DDRM slots right there.
Magic.
These are the hard. This is the ROM, which has the BIOS, which helps start up the computer, and the hard drive.
This is the hard drive. It stores information.
Perfect.
And that's the graphics.
Graphics video card
Is what I'm holding.
Oh.
Right.
Perfect.
Video card. It has its own cooling fan. And then the audio card.
It's connected to this. It's back here.
Sound.
It's how you hear things.
I remember just
Power
looking
supply.
at, like, serial killers are the ones that go into the
Has its own
floor.
fan.
The DVI pushes video and power. The S-Video pushes video, and the VGA also pushes video.
Perfect.
The parallel ports.
Parallel port. That's these guys. They are parallel to each other.
Yes, 2 ports. Oh, it's what plugs in the mouse and
Oh
the keyboard.
yeah, the mouse and the keyboard. There's green and purple right there. Okay.
The optical drive.
Yeah, it's up here. We couldn't get it out, but it reads things through lasers.
Yes, it's the DVD.
Sorry, my bad.
You could blind people.
Peripherals can be plugged in, like printers and scanners. The PCI bus is this
It's
pink.
right, this pink thing,
Perfect.
because everything's better in pink.
There are 4 cooling fans, one up here, here, one on the graphics card, and then one in the box.
Cooling fans.
The serial cables.
They're like serial killers, but they're not.
They hold in the hard drive.
So they're all these cords. These cords.
The network card.
So that's right here. This is the network. Well, this is the port, and then the card is right underneath it.
Yeah. It also connects the Ethernet.
Yay, Ethernet.
And the USB ports. Perfect.